Your spray booth is a significant investment to your business, and it pays to ensure that every aspect of it runs flawlessly. Whether you need a custom-built booth or some fine-tuning, Ecotech Systems, the experts in Texas paint booths, are here to serve. Founded in 1992, we've grown to serve auto, truck, aviation, and industrial customers in Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana with our experienced in-house service and installation teams. Our uniformed, factory-trained technicians are all Ecotech employees with years of experience and take pride in their service. Our mobile fleet is able to come out to your location to conduct emergency repairs on your Texas paint booths, provide preventative maintenance, and install custom booths that are tailored to your location. We're fully insured and maintain specialized teams focused on spray booth installation work and separate teams dedicated to service, repairs, and maintenance. Ready to learn more about what our Texas paint booths can provide? Contact us at ecotechsystems.net or call 214-616-8535.